Are you already copying my portfolio on eToro, or are you considering to start copying it in the future? Well, then this video is meant for you to make sure you have the right expectations and get the most out of it. But before we get to the important part, let's get the usual disclaimer out of the way. Everything that I share in this video is my personal opinion and in no way financial or professional advice of any kind. You should always do your own research, consult certified professionals, draw your own conclusions, and make your own decisions. Last but not least, it's also important to point out that my past performance is no indication or guarantee of future results. Hello, my name is Rauchenwald and I'm a popular investor on eToro, meaning that I'm managing my portfolio on eToro publicly, which makes it possible for others like you to simply copy it with just a few clicks by following the link in the video description down below. Since the start of my portfolio on eToro in May 2020, I've managed to achieve a gain of 29.8% during the first 8 months in 2020, 34.78% during 2021, and 44.82% during the first 9 months of 2022, according to eToro's public statistics. In other words, my approach has allowed me to deliver an, in my opinion, more than average performance in bullish years, but also outperform the markets and many other investors in bearish times, like we've seen them during most of 2022 as well. That's obviously great for me and great for those that started copying my portfolio early on, but there are a few things to consider that you should be aware of before you too start investing your money into my portfolio. First, despite beating the market so far, if you look closer, you'll notice that I also have losing months, like for example minus 13.98% in July 2022 or minus 11.66% in February 2021. And as a result, my portfolio also has a maximal yearly historical drawdown of around 20%. In other words, if you copied my portfolio in the past and had really bad luck with your timing, you would have first lost 20% before things moved in your favor again. And that is important for two specific reasons. First, if you're looking for a portfolio to copy that will make you rich overnight or deliver 2-digit returns every month, please take the time to think about your expectations for a moment, because there simply is not a single asset out there that will deliver on these expectations without the risk of also wiping out your entire account along the way. Once you accept that you should invest for ideally 2 years or longer, you will be less worried about drawdowns in between, which in turn will help you prevent making emotional decisions in a section of your life that should be solely controlled by facts and reason. Simply put, you won't be tempted to close your copy and realize a loss if we're enduring a bad month or two. And besides that, reason number 2, because there is the possibility of such drawdowns in the future as well, don't invest all your money at once, but ideally take advantage of dollar cost averaging, a principle I explained in more detail in another video that you can find by clicking on the card up here. Simply put, if you want to copy my portfolio with $1,000, it may make more sense to start with $200 and add another $200 every week or every month to take advantage of potentially lower prices than to copy with the entire $1,000 from day one. In my personal opinion, the best case would anyways always be to add funds to your portfolio in regular intervals, like every month or quarter, to speed up the growth and ideally reach your financial goals faster. Last but not least, keep in mind that there is no minimum amount outside of the minimum requirement eToro defines to copy my portfolio, and that you definitely want to copy all open trades when you start copying, since I keep some of my positions for months or potentially years and you'd otherwise miss out. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them on YouTube in the comment section below this video or in the comments on any of my recent posts I shared on eToro. Thanks in advance for your trust and for watching this video. See you in one of my other videos. Till then, bye bye.